Hi guys, let's unbox this squishy dumpling right now. And I have a 3 squishy dumpling. And let's unbox it right now. I have two, uh, two large squishy dumpling or medium and mini dumpling. She is mini dumpling. Okay. I have a three squishy dumpling. I'm so excited because this is my dream. And let's unboxing. First, I unboxing a squishy mini dumpling. Unboxing. Let's open right now. Okay. You see, I don't know what is this. No glitter or no. I don't know if this glitter and no glitter. And let's unboxing now. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Squishy dumpling blue. And she is a needle. She's so satisfying. The fish is broken. Squishy hole. And next is this. What is? This unboxing. Oh, I am scam. Next is the third right now, please. This is not a fake. She's not a RMS. Let's unboxing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, squishy dumpling. She's glitter white dumpling. And bye bye. Wait. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.